Welcome to the Academy of Code Hello World Scratch Challenge. First step that I'm going to do is take a look at the email that I was sent by the Academy of Code, which sends through an explanation of how to create a Scratch account. I've clicked on the video and clicked again.
Hello and welcome to the Academy of Code Summer Camps. This is a short video showing how to sign a student up for a Scratch account.
Okay, so I've gone through all of this and I have signed up for my Scratch account. I now already have a Scratch account. I'm going to open a new tab. And in the new tab, in Google, I'm going to type in SCRATCH for Scratch. And I'm going to click on scratch.mit.edu. And I am going to click on sign in. Because I've already signed in, my username and password is there. If your username and password isn't there, go to your notes, look for your username and password and sign in. The next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to click on create. Once I'm in create, I'll be able to see the Scratch cat on the right-hand side. Inside the stage, we see that there's no backdrops in the stage. The Scratch cat is the only sprite here. No other sprites have been selected. No other backdrops have been selected. I'm going to go over to the options I have on the left-hand side. I'm going to click on events. I'm going to pull over when the green flag is clicked. Just like Lego, I'm going to go into looks and find say hello for 2 seconds. I'm going to click these together like Lego. And instead of hello, I'm going to type in hello world. I'm now going to press on the green flag to check hello world. Most importantly, I'm going to go to the top of my screen and I'm going to save this as hello world. When I click on share, it will bring me to my project page. And I can simply go back into See Inside because I've completed the challenge. I look forward to seeing you all very soon.